Every single platform, social media platform, has launched their own version of Reels. So you can fight the algorithm or hack the algorithm. Today I'm gonna show you how we use 60-second Reels to land 7K clients without sales call. My name is Paras. I live in Vancouver, Canada. I'm from India, immigrant from India, and from last 2 years I'm building my high ticket affiliate and coaching business. I help affiliate and coaches to scale their business to $20,000 a month without sales call. And this is my YouTube channel. I show strategies, mindset, value, how you can build your own business without sales call. So let's get started. As I mentioned, there is no denying. Like, you have to be on Reels, you have to. And there is always a trend. So Reels are really high now, but I guarantee it will go down someday. So why not take a chance when you have it? Now, what's our focus in the Reels? You might ask, like, I want to make Reels, but what's our focus? Our focus is to sell your prospect on you, your strategy, and the investment that you want them to invest in you. So, and this is something, and I will attach this document in the description, and you can have a look in the description how you can build this thing for yourself. So what's a different kind of content? Different kind of content, I mean, it can be different length. It can be from 5 second to 60-second Reels. I'll give you some ideas here. So style, the talking videos where you're talking, dropping knowledge, sharing information, and here on this document you can have this in the description. It show you real life examples because you can't click on the video, but you can click here. So if you go here, you can see my real channel showing you real videos, how we land clients, more than 20 likes on this. So it's as simple as that. 20 people to talk to, 20 leads I got. Then some trends you can jump on. So you might notice some reels that go crazy, like crazy amount of exposure. I just forgot the name, exposure. So it can be trends. So far I'll give you example of the trends. So this is reel I saw, and see this. It was already trendy. I made a copy of it at more than 87. So my prospect can know what kind of guy this is, following guy, things like that. It's more of selling them on me. 27 comments, 5 share. Simple as that. Trending things will always people share, and more exposure your brand will get. Next, strategy. Selling them on the strategy. This is really important. So I will open the strategy one. Now, again, 13 likes, more people to talk to. Don't even sales call. Selling them on the strategy. You can have look in your own time. I will go over it, but I'm showing you the exact way, exact mindset I go with when I start making the reel. Then video structure. It can be in 3 hours, in between 3 hours, 10 a.m. Then you can post 10 a.m., 1 p.m. We post 2 to 3 content reels a day. Hashtag, 2 niches, 2 bro, or 2 trend. So hashtag plays an important role too when you are posting reels, because if you put the wrong reel, it's gonna show the wrong audience and your reach will go down. So this is a real time how you can make the reel. You should have a hook, like a basic content. There should be a hook so people stop to watch it. Then body. What is the body? What is the solution you're providing? What are you revealing? Put this here. Then call to action. What is the call to action? Join your group, share or follow. You can have different, and always end with CTA. To learn more, join my Facebook group. To learn more, follow. And let's deep dive, and I'm going to different example on how you can pre-serve on you, your strategy, and your investment. So top of the funnel, you. Example, I like traveling. I like what is my thought process. Mixture of thought and traveling. You can, when you are traveling, what's going in your mind. Like, there's something, I can open this. The best part is you have all the examples in your hand. I will link, again I'm mentioning, I will link in the description to this Google Doc so you have it. See, there's 36 likes and 8 comments. This is only because I am traveling. People like traveling, right? And I can share my views, what I think, like what I'm up to, right? Then close these. Then middle of the funnel. So what it really means, top of the funnel is basically selling on you. Middle of the funnel is selling them on your strategy. This no sales call system is not that complicated. Just basically selling them on you, selling them on a strategy. But if they already know the strategy, you don't need a sales call. Then example of strategy, why no sales call? Strategy solving a problem. You can have a look in on time. Bottom of the funnel investment. You can in this bottom of the funnel basically means calling them out to work with you one-on-one. It can be a testimonial. It can be your result. It can be your client result. It can be different things, right? If you do this day in, day out, you can sell big ticket offers without sales call or any strategy sessions, because it's going to build the rapport, it's going to build the trust, it's going to build the like. And it's going to automatically take out the people who don't like the way you talk, who don't, because it's the best way. Like I'm showing the face, it's the best way to talk to your audience better than even writing. Then repurposing the content to expand your omni presence on the multi-platforms. A lot of people forget about this. Every single time I post a video on Facebook, I literally post it on different platforms too. It can be on TikTok Reels, it can be on Facebook, I do on Facebook stories too, it can be on IG stories too. And you can just make one thing and you can expand to different platform, and you are attracting people from different platforms. And to show you the proof how this system is so powerful, I literally land a client, a 7,000 USD client, without even a sales call on a road trip, by just using Reels and just closing him in the messenger. Because the trust and like was so high, I don't have to go on a sales call, and they just made the payment, and I show them the Google Doc, the offer, and good to go. And the more details you want to find on this whole process, this is pinned up here, so you can have a look on this, and just gonna show you the whole process, how we make the offer, how we make the content, how to make the hand raisers to create the demand for our offer. Simple as that. Hope this brings you a lot of value. If you want to share your thoughts, what you think about this, are you using Reels, please let me know so we can make the process better, so I can create more content on making Reels, because we are going all in on Reels every single day. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye bye. Again, we have a free Facebook community where we do long form training. 60-second Reels you can learn, but not that much. But in trainings, in interviews, live interview, you can learn a lot. We have a lot of interviews with millionaires, and people are crushing in the market in my free favorites community. Link in the description again. Have fun with it, guys. Bye bye.